Nothing beats a cold Coke on a hot beach day.
Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. These videos that you have seen are generated completely for free with an AI tool called Arena AI. To access Arena, all you need is to come to arena.ai, and you have to of course log in with your account and then brought in over here. Now the first thing you need to understand is that Arena does a lot of things in terms of image creation, video creation. You can do web search with it, you can do many other things, coding applications like the UI, designing dashboard, cloning, games, 3D spatials. You can create different things with this. You can even create presentations directly from here. So in this, our main target is how to create videos. So we can go ahead and click on generate videos over here and then go ahead and just give it our own prompt. Okay, can you create the video of a lion running on a busy street at sunset? Let it wear a hat. Okay, so we can just go ahead and click on generate from this, and let's give this some seconds to see. It's going to generate using two assistants, assistant A and assistant B, and then from there you'll be able to now judge and pick your choice from the videos that it has generated for you. So let's just give you some seconds to see what this is going to generate for us. All right, and as you can see, it has also generated the video. So let's take a look at it and see what it has created for us. So this is really wonderful on next level. Now if you're interested, you can as well download it from here. So please go ahead, explore this very AI tool, Arena AI, and see how you can be able to create videos directly from text. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.